Hey everyone, welcome to Storytime with Ms. Mea. Today, we're diving into the deep blue sea with Ollie, an octopus with an infectious smile and a problem. His favorite coral reef has turned gloomy. Ollie the octopus wasn't just any octopus. He had 8 wiggly arms, a bubbly personality, and a smile that could brighten the darkest ocean trench. His favorite place to hang out was a vibrant coral reef, teeming with colorful fish and playful seahorses. But one morning, when Ollie reached the reef, he felt a wave of sadness wash over him. The once vibrant coral looked dull, the fish swam listlessly, and even the playful seahorses seemed grumpy. "What's wrong, everyone?" Ollie asked, his smile fading a little. A wise old sea turtle named Shelley explained, "The ocean currents have changed. Less sunlight reaches the reef and everything feels gloomy." Ollie couldn't stand to see his friends so down. He knew he had to do something, even if it meant using all 8 of his arms. He started by cleaning up the reef, removing any debris that might block sunlight. Then, using his artistic talents, he painted colorful patterns on the dull coral with ink squirted from his sack. Next, Ollie decided to cheer everyone up. He did silly octopus dances, told knock-knock jokes, even though no one really understood them, and even juggled some glowing jellyfish carefully, of course. Slowly but surely, smiles began to reappear. The fish started chasing each other playfully between the brightly painted coral, and the seahorses did their happy twirls again. Even Shelley the sea turtle cracked a wise old grin at Ollie's silly antics. By the end of the day, the once gloomy reef was filled with laughter and joy. The weak currents couldn't dampen the newfound spirit, thanks to Ollie's optimism and determination. We learned today that even when things seem dark, a little optimism and a whole lot of silliness can go a long way in bringing back the sunshine. So next time you see someone feeling down, remember, a smile and a silly joke can be just as powerful as sunshine. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more undersea adventures with Ollie and his friends.